Okay, we parked up at the voice lesson. I was just doing some warming up, and now we're gonna go in.
Good adjusting. There we go, that was it.
Oh man, it's much later. I've been spending a lot of time mapping out the panels and stuff that I want to go to and attend, the films that I want to see, places to eat at that are walkable in South Beach, Miami. So all that's done, thank God. I have my itinerary. And for the past few hours, I've read an entire feature film script for this big audition that I have tomorrow morning that I'm doing. It's due at 9 a.m. I'm gonna do the tape around 8 a.m. and it's for a sequel, I guess, to a 1984 cult classic. So it's kind of a big deal, and it's also like a horror comedy, and I love that kind of stuff. So I've just been trying to be very intentional and turn in the best audition I possibly can. So I've been working on that for a little bit, and now I'm going to memorize the second scene because it's a bit physical, and I want to be able to like use my hands and stuff. So let's memorize a little bit, and that's that. Good morning, happy Wednesday. We're on our way to Pilates. It's currently 6:20, class is at 6:30. And yeah, let's go. All right, we've made it. Let's go inside. Man, glad that's over. Let's go home. It's always so much. Great class. Okay. Here's my 1984 alt rock glamorous look for the self-tape. I love this look. This is cool. And I'm excited for it. It's gonna be kind of a lot, but we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Slate. Perfect. Slate, name, height, location. Copy that. Hi there, my name is Nikko Austen Smith. I'm 5'7", currently based in Los Angeles. Thank you. Okay, I'm all set up for the tape, and here's what it looks like. Light 1, light 2, stand, reader, table, chair, backdrop.
See that?
Thing. And I'm just like, okay, I was trying to figure out how long we've been here. Maybe like 20, 30 minutes maybe.
Does it feel like your anxiety starts to go as the scene goes on then?
I'm cool, I'm chilling, we're good. The lights went off for some reason. Why'd the lights go off?
What? I thought something flashed across the screen. I couldn't tell.
Wait, what the? Okay, the tape is done. I had to wash my face and get all of that makeup off. Because now I'm about to get online for a callback for this commercial that I auditioned for. And I was very plain-faced, so trying to keep that look as close to the original tape as possible. That's what we're rocking with. I'm at a retreat. Feeling good. Let's log in. It's on Zoom, thank God. It's at 11:40. It's currently 11:32, and gonna do this callback and kill it. Really, really enjoyed how the tape went. Really proud of myself. Yes. Okay, callback went really well. Now I'm grabbing some lunch at Hank's Bagels. There's hubby. It's one of my favorite bagel spots in Los Angeles. Let's eat. Cheers. Okay, good afternoon, y'all. Happy Friday. Today I went grocery shopping this morning for the week, and did like our end of month cleaning, like deep cleaning of our home, and now I am going over this audition that I am going to record before I leave Tuesday. It's due Monday. Actually, it's due Wednesday, but I'm gonna tape it Monday. So I'll be traveling to ABFF on Tuesday. So yeah, the rest of this vlog I think is just gonna be me. Hi, Truffle. Hi, Mama. Hi. It's just gonna be me. You cannot have my Oreos. Get out of here, girl. It's gonna be me preparing for the rest of the trip, for traveling, and then the next vlog will be all about the film festival. Got my suitcase out of storage, like things are happening. It's just kind of a lot. So I'm going to go over this audition, read the script, record 3 voiceover auditions, and then make it to the movies to see I Love Boosters, because if you know anything about me, you know that I love surrealism, I love maximalism, yes, and I love Boots Riley. So we're gonna go support them on opening day at the theater. It's just a lot to get done. It's currently 3:31. The movie is at 7:20. So let's see if we can get all of this done. Got my handy dandy tea. All right, so this self-tape is for not a studio feature. I guess it's an indie, but pretty big budget indie. So that's cool. I'm going to read over the character description and print everything out. Oh, cool. Okay, this is a horror film. Yes, my favorite genre. Oh. Okay, back in the studio, the booth, about to go do some voiceover auditions, so let's go. Okay, 2 of these are for a video game, and then 1 of them is for a Netflix animated. Nikko, Austen, Smith. Okay, 30 minutes later, we're done. Let's make some food and go to the movies. And while the food is cooking, I think I'm gonna do my singing for the day. I try to do 15 minutes of vocal exercises a day and sing through 1 song just to keep up with my voice training. Oh. Good morning, happy Saturday. I absolutely loved I Love Boosters. So if you get a chance to see it, highly recommend seeing it in theaters. I'm just so excited and happy that these kinds of films exist, and I want to see more of them. Today is a pretty full day. As you can see, it's currently 8:35. I woke up early, put some laundry in, emptied the dishwasher. Now I'm washing Truffle. She gets a bath every Saturday with her like special medicated shampoo. And then we're gonna start packing for Miami. My mentor is having a gathering for all of her mentees, so I'm doing that. And then there's Black Girl Brunch tonight, so let's go. Yes, very good girl. She's a pretty girl. Okay. Yeah. Yes, good girl. Okay, let's go to my mentor's. She lives in Hollywood, the Hollywood Hills, and this is the outfit. Some smart casual moment happening. So let's go. Washed my hair, wash day. 4 hours went by, it's 4 p.m. Yes, I went out last night for Black Girl Brunch, which happens once a month. We went to dinner and went to sing karaoke, and it was really fun. I'll put that clip here. And now I need to pack for ABFF. It's supposed to be like super rainy in Miami, and I'm not really looking forward to that. Do what you gotta do. So let's figure out what to take. I've done it. This is what we've got. Kind of looks like a lot, but it's really not. It's just 2 pairs of pants, 4 like button-down things that I can interchange, 4 tank tops, some underwear, pajamas, bathing suit, belts, socks, a tote, and then I'm getting together things for my plane bag. I'm also taking my voice straws so that I can do a voice lesson or 2 while I'm in the hotel room, because I try to sing for 15 minutes a day every day, and I want to bring these so I'm not like belting in the hotel. Kind of muffles it a little bit. I'm so excited because I'll be attending my first ever white party. I'll be wearing this dress. She's super cute, very like 1980s, or like that Ariana Grande We Can't Be Friends music video when she's like sitting on the table with like the candles. I think she had a dress similar to this, and I've been wanting to wear it for quite some time, and now I have an occasion to wear it. So I'm really excited. Love the silhouette, and it's just so sweet. It's really pretty. Good morning, happy Monday. It's the last day of the vlog. I am doing a self-tape before heading out of town. This self-tape is for an indie feature, and this casting director has brought me in a couple of times, and it's for another final girl, so I'm really excited. Hi there, my name is Nikko Austen Smith. I'm 5'7", currently based in Los Angeles. Je parle un peu le français. Hey, the tapes are done. I'm all packed. That is the end of this vlog. That's all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for watching, sticking around to the very, very end. Drop a comment down below and leave a brown heart if you got to the very end of this video. And I'll see you all in a new video Thursday after next, which will be all about the American Black Film Festival. Bye guys. I'm about to go catch a plane.